So from any screen onto nav, it's actually come to destination address, previous destination, points of interest and tour. So we'll click address, city and postcode. We'll click the postcode. It's already got our postcode, but that's the previous owner coming to see us. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers, so numbers are there. PR5, 4. It's defaulted back to letters J, S. Some you also need to, if there's only 2 numbers in a postcode, you need to put a space in, but this is automatically taken into account. Click on that. It's asking me for a house number, but Grosvenor Garage into a house number, and then we click start. It's giving me 3 routes there: economy, short and fast. Done.
Starting route guidance.
That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this vehicle. So from any screen, you've got there your menu buttons, settings and so on. So onto the button that looks like a cog, it's showing Bluetooth here. We'll click Bluetooth. Paired devices, Barry's iPhone 11, and you've got a dustbin here. So we'll click the dustbin, click the cross. Are you sure you want to delete Barry's iPhone 11? Yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Hyundai Tucson. So from any screen, first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and it is there. We go to, well, we'll be able to go there. So if you click telephone, no Bluetooth device is paired. Would you like to pair a new device? That would be yes, or you can also go into settings, but there you go. We'll do the easy way. Yes. It'll come up at the bottom here, Tucson. There you go, Tucson. Click on Tucson. Bluetooth pairing request. Do you want to pair? Yes. Connecting Bluetooth device. Confirm Bluetooth is active on your device. That's it. It's connected. Do you want your contacts and favorites to sync? I don't, but you will if you're buying this vehicle, or you've got one of these, of course. So I'm going to click don't allow there, but you click allow. So that's it done. Now also, great feature in this car, the sound system's great as well. If we go to our iTunes, I'll turn that down, but you can see there Tucson. Red triangle, 3 red circles. If there's no tick next to it for any reason, just click on there, make sure there's a tick. We'll go back, we'll click play. Now we'll go to media. It's already on the Bluetooth audio, but see there, media, you've got several, maybe you've got a USB stick plugged in, or your iPod, or it's on auxiliary. So you just have to click media, make sure that Bluetooth selected. It is. You've got another option there, options, sound settings. So you can change all that, but at this moment in time, we just want to play this. I'll turn that up to a reasonable volume. I'll control it from my iPhone because I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But just to prove it has worked. There you go. That's how you stream audio.